Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1914. 1914. The first in-home air conditioning machine, made by Carrier, is installed in a Minneapolis mansion. It was 7 feet high and 20 feet wide. Up to this point, air conditioning had only been used in hospital or manufacturing settings.
Let's help you make your mark.
Window-mounted air conditioners do not pull outside air into the home. They work by circulating the air inside the house, cooling it, and dumping the excess heat outside the home via an exhaust system.
Make your mark, take our lead.
1940 Packard. The 1940 Packard was the first car to offer factory-installed air conditioning. By 1969, more than half of all new cars sold were equipped with AC. Some brands affixed window decals to promote their air-conditioned automobiles.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.